Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the Business Analyst Expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about the daily tasks of Salesforce Business Analysts. Before going further, don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for future videos. Salesforce jobs are one of the most lucrative careers in IT, and the average salary of a Salesforce Business Analyst is $100,000 per year. So what exactly does a Salesforce Business Analyst do? The top responsibility of a Salesforce Business Analyst is to have knowledge of the whole business and how it operates. In return, he or she can draft specifications for the implementation of Salesforce. A Salesforce Business Analyst world is multi-dimensional since they are jack of all trades. As a result, they have different responsibilities as they act as a representative, bridge, and mediator between the end user and various departments to an efficient implementation of technical solutions by bringing the business needs together with IT resources. It means their task is to bring business and clients together through real-time insights and updates. The duties of a business analyst are regularly shifting and developing since companies rely more on data to advise on business operations. In this video, we will take you on a journey of the daily life of a Salesforce business analyst and what tasks they execute on an ordinary working day. Number 1. Discovery meetings. The business analyst usually starts the day by conducting discovery meetings for stakeholders from various departments and presentations to ensure that the scope of the current project meets their needs. 2. Gathering crucial feedback. Feedbacks are collected from several stakeholder meetings and compiled to generate reports and dashboards concerning the requirements of every user profile. 3. Create business documents. Once all information is gathered, the analysis process commences. Perform a quality check on the collected data and create use cases for every single request. The reason for doing this is to discover any loopholes or allow non-technical users to be able to read and adjust requirements where necessary. 4. Design diagrams. The business analyst is responsible for creating many diagrams with the purpose of visually representing a system along with its main actors, roles, actions, artifacts, or classes in order to better understand, alter, maintain, or document information about the system. 5. Create visual charts and technical scheme graphs. Data visualization is the act of taking information, data, and placing it into a visual context, such as a map or graph. Data visualizations make big and small data easier for the human brain to understand, and visualization also makes it easier to detect patterns, trends, and outliers in groups of data. 6. Performing prioritizing initiative. Prioritizing initiative is centered on business requirements. Prioritization is an informed and methodical questioning and decision-making process. Some strategic initiatives offer more benefit and/or are more strategic than others. An organization cannot do all things immediately, given available resources including people, money, time, and/or other materials. 7. Monitoring of deliverables. The most common deliverables by the BA are BRDs, system use cases, user stories, and UML diagrams. The business analyst needs to make they are delivered on time. 8. Creation of training materials. The business analyst is also responsible for in-house training sessions, leadership, and guidance with workmates using Salesforce technology in the company. 9. Data analysis. The business analyst needs to identify some crucial data points that the sales team should be tracking. He looks at customer data and offers recommendations to companies based on their findings. Customer data can be pulled from anything, including surveys, traffic to the business's website, browsing habits, and purchase history. 10. Close up on the daily activities. Time to close up the daily activities by reviewing the daily reports, sales orders, leads, and other significant information recorded. Ensure that everything meets company policy and record any arising issues. You will find that every company has different hitches that a Salesforce business analyst can help solve, whether it's evolving technologies, obsolete legacy systems, damaged processes, or poor customer satisfaction. It is the work of the analyst to keep up to date with new systems and products that help companies improve their performance. In a nutshell, the task of a business analyst is to define needs and project scope, design, implement, and test solutions to ensure that it is maintained. And if you like this video, give thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.